Hi, my name is Jeremy Bowen. I'm the Director of Operations for the Synder Lance Charlotte facility. Synder Lance manufactures and markets products across the U.S. and internationally. We make a variety of products such as cookies, crackers, chips, pretzels, nuts, and other snack products. We make Lance sandwich crackers and Cape Cod kettle chips. Additionally, we make other products like Tom's hot fries, Tom's pork skins, Lance branded popcorn, and a variety of restaurant crackers. We go through an amazing amount of materials in our facility for a typical week. We process over 600,000 pounds of potatoes, making 500,000 bags of chips. In our bakery, we go through over 3 million pounds of flour, making over 300 million crackers in a single week. We have more than 5,000 associates in 10 production facilities in the United States and Canada. The Lance brand has been in existence for 100 years. We've been a part of Harris Teeter since the doors have opened. Together, we're a great Carolina tradition. Toast Cheese is our #1 product, and it follows a similar process as all baked items, which means we start with making dough. Raw ingredients like water, salt, and cheese are added and mixed together in a blender. The ingredients are then transferred into a large dough bin. With the help of a computerized bulk system, the precise amount of flour is added to the mixture. Once the flour is added, the ingredients are mixed thoroughly for 10 minutes. After proofing, the dough is transferred to the mixing area for the addition of flour, baking soda, salt, and non-trans fat dough oil. A single batch of dough weighs about 1,800 pounds. The flour alone accounts for about 1,200 pounds of the total weight. The entire dough making process takes approximately 20 minutes. Once the dough has completed its required proof time, it's transported and dumped into a hopper that feeds the dough through a lapping process. The dough sheet is then layered 3 times. This helps assist the machine process and finish quality. The cut dough sheet passes under a salter where the desired amount of salt is added. The weight of the product is then checked to ensure correct specifications. The crackers then travel into an oven which is nearly as long as a football field. For Toast Cheese, the crackers spend about 3 minutes in the oven. When the fully baked crackers exit the oven, they are still connected in sheets. The sheets are then broken into horizontal strips. The crackers then go through a spray oil machine which sprays the crackers with the correct percentage of non-trans fat oil. This spray oil helps the flavor and the appearance of the crackers. The individual rows of crackers are then shingled and then sent into the packaging area. The crackers are then separated into individual crackers. From this point, the crackers are then transferred to the conveyors and then to the packaging equipment. As you may have guessed, making potato chips all starts with raw potatoes, a lot of raw potatoes. About 71,000 tons are delivered each year to all Synder Lance facilities. The potatoes are continuously washed as they travel to the peeler. The peeler uses rows of abrasive rollers and brushes to peel the potatoes. After peeling, they move to an inspection table where any unwanted potatoes are removed or trimmed before being conveyed to the slicer. The slicer rapidly cuts the potatoes into thin slices. As the sliced potatoes travel to the fryer, they are rinsed to remove any excess starch. Kettle chips are cooked in a batch process. For kettle chips, the individual potatoes are sliced and deposited directly into a small fryer known as kettles, where they are fried for approximately 6 minutes. The kettle chips are stirred continuously to ensure the entire batch is fried evenly. Once a batch is finished, the chips exit the fryer and the next batch is added immediately. The kettle chips are spun in a centrifuge to reduce oil content. The Cape Cod reduced fat chips are spun longer to effectively reduce fat by 40%. Chips are then flavored, weighed, bagged, and boxed in the same way as standard chips. Thanks to Harris Teeter for great customer service and loyal customers. Because of this, we have #1 brands across all of Harris Teeter. Please go to SynderLance.com to learn more about our family of brands that you can find at your local Harris Teeter.